Welcome to DBMS class. Today we are going to discuss about the what is the database, what is DBMS, what are the advantages, disadvantages of DBMS. So before going to discuss about the database management system, first of all we should know what is a database. So database means it is a collection of interrelated data. So interrelated data means the data is related together. For example, so if we are taking student database, so student database contains the student information like hall ticket number, name, course, college, and their respective subject marks, result of each semester, and after completion of degree, final consolidated memo also published on the internet. So that is example for student database. So this is nothing but a database. So database means collection of interrelated data. So next coming into definition of DBMSs. So in different textbooks they have given different definitions. So these are all the three main most important definitions. First of all, the basic definition is DBMS is a collection of interrelated data. So DBMS is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs. These programs are used for creating and managing the databases, inserting, updating, deleting, retrieval of the data as a fast and efficient manner. So once again I am repeating. So database management system is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs. These programs are used for creating and managing databases and for inserting, updating, deleting, retrieval of the data as a fast and efficient manner. So totally DBMS is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs. So next coming into second definition. So database management system is a shared integrated structure. So that stores the end users data and metadata. So end users data is nothing but users data. So for example, observe this diagram. So in this diagram, customer, invoice, product, it is a end users data. So customer table contains customer information, invoice table contains invoice related data, and the product table contains product related information. So next metadata means so this is data about a data is called a metadata. For example, if you are taking student database, so student database contains hall ticket number, name, course, college, and their respective marks. So for example, if you are taking hall ticket number, so hall ticket number stores generally number type of data with the size 10, and name of the student is a character type of data and the size is 40, example 40. So like that, so this information is called as a metadata. So totally DBMS is a shared integrated structure that stores the end users data and metadata. So metadata is nothing but a data about data. End users data is nothing but users information. So next third definition is that so DBMS is a set of programs. So those programs are managing the database structure, means creating database structure, modifying database structure, and provides the control access to the data stored in the database management system. So in these three definitions we can write any one of the definition. So but most probably used definition is like this. So that is a database is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs. These programs are used for creating and managing the database, and also DBMS software programs are used for inserting, updating, deleting, retrieval of the data as a fast and efficient manner. So next observe this diagram. So this diagram illustrates that the role of DBMS. So observe this diagram. So here the end users are interacted with the database management system, so through the DBMS software. So first initially end user is requesting to the for the data to the DBMS. So next DBMS contacted with the database and then sending back data to the end user. So here multiple users parallelly sending the request and getting their requested data. So in here the DBMS acting as an intermediary between the users and the database. So in DBMS, the database structure stores itself as a files. So the data can be accessed from the files through the DBMS only. So this is the main important role of the database management system. So next, coming into advantages of DBMS. So here first advantage is improved data sharing. So first understand what is the meaning of data sharing. Data is nothing but a collection of facts. Sharing means accessed by multiple users. So DBMS provides better accessing of better managed data so by the multiple users. So here DBMS creates an environment to access the better managed data by the multiple users. So here observe this diagram. So here user 1, user 2, user 3 can access the data from the database parallelly. So if you are taking banking application, so at the same time multiple users can perform different operations from different locations. So that is nothing but data sharing. So another example is that so that student are accessing their result information from different locations from different devices so on the internet. That is called as a data sharing. So next, coming into improved data security. So data security means DBMS creates a privacy and security for the data. So DBMS creates an environment for privacy and security for the users data. So privacy means only authorized operations can be performed on your data. Security is nothing but the only authorized persons can log in to access the data by submitting the required user inputs like user ID, password, etc. So that is called data security. So next one is better data integration. So wider access and well managed data provides the better data integration. So this data integration provides the overall logical structure of the database. So logical structure of the database means it provides the big picture of the database. So it shows that how the operations in one segment will affect the another segment within an organization. Means here we can observe, so whatever the operations can be performed in one part of the database, so where that will be reflected within an organization. So database. So next one, minimize data inconsistency. So first of all, understand the data inconsistency. So inconsistency is nothing but wrong data. So data inconsistency generally arises when the multiple versions of the same data is placed in different places within a database management system. So database management system reduces the data redundancies. So when the data redundancy is reduced, automatically database management system will generate the consistent results and constant results. So that's why database management system minimizes the data inconsistency and reduces the wrong results due to the reducing of the data redundancies. So next, improved data access. So improved data access means the users can access the data by submitting the queries. So query is nothing but requesting to the database regarding to access the required information from the database management system. So next, coming into improved decision making. So wider access of a data, better management of a data supports to generate the quality of information. So this quality of information can be used to take the better decisions within an organization. So next, increased end users productivity. So database management system comes with the different types of tools and technologies. So these tools and technologies are used to generate the quality of information. So this quality of information can be used to take the better decisions within an organization to achieve the organization goals or objectives within an organization. So these are all the related to the advantage of database management system. So once again I am repeating. So improving data sharing means data can be shared by the multiple users. So data security means provides the security for the users data. Data integration means it describes the overall structure of the data, and we can easily understand the how the operations in one segment can be affected in other part of the database. So minimize data inconsistency means wrong outputs will be reduced, inconsistency data will be minimized or reduced. Improved data access means the data can be accessed by the users by submitting the queries or commands in SQL. So improved decision making means the DBMS generates the quality of information. So it is used to take the better decision. So next, increased end users productivity means so the tools are used to generate quality of information. It increases the users productivity, users decision making, and organization earnings also.